welcome and a very good day to you all. In this video, we will discuss two more additional examples of differentiation of exponential functions. So let's get started with the questions. Yeah. Okay. So let's get started with A. So I will hide this first. Okay. Now, what we can see over here is y equals ex multiply by the key is multiply by another function in a bracket like this. Okay, so we have a combination of two. Okay, so what we can do is the differentiation of the whole thing is first we differentiate the front one, okay, with respect to x, and then we multiply by the rest, okay, which is e to x plus e minus 4x. Okay, and then plus plus with what? Plus with the differentiation of the other. The other is this one lah, the green one. We haven't differentiate over here, right? Okay, so this time we differentiate it. Okay, e to the power of 2x plus e to the power of minus 4x. Yeah, and then we close them. Then we multiply with the one that we have differentiate before over here. Now, we can proceed to the next step. Differentiate e to the power of x with respect to x is e to the power of x itself. Okay, then we multiply with this, the green one. Okay, plus e to the power of minus 4x. Yeah, and then plus we differentiate this one this time. Yeah, so how to differentiate e to the power of 2x now? Okay, so it's we copy paste everything to x, and then we multiply by differentiation of the power. The power over here. That's why for this one I didn't bother to write because exponent sorry. Differentiation of e to the power of x with respect to x is we copy paste ex back, multiply by the differentiation of the power over here. We differentiate the power over here, so it will become 1. This everything will become 1. And 1 multiplied by ex is ex itself. Okay. So that's why I didn't bother to write over there. Okay. Now, and then we differentiate this one pula. Okay. Before that, you have to make sure bracket properly written. Okay. Now, this time we differentiate this one. Okay. And then, okay. Maybe I tidy this up. Yeah. No need. We differentiate this one first. Okay, and then plus how we copy paste e to the power of minus 4x multiply by differentiation of the power. This power, right? Okay, minus 4x. And then we close them. We close them and then multiply by the e power of x over here. Okay. Now, so for this one we can expand them. Okay, we can expand them. So e to the power of 3x plus e to the power of minus 3x. Okay, and then plus this whole thing. But we have to do it one by one. Yeah. Okay. So this one is differentiate 2x with respect to x is 2. It's 2. Oh, it keeps falling down. Okay. 2. So 2 it's a constant. We put it in front of exponent. So 2e to x. So this one settled. This one settled. Now this one. Okay. Now we differentiate this one. We have minus 4. Minus 4 it's a constant. We can put in front of the exponent. So minus 4e minus 4x. Okay. And then ex over here. Then we can expand this further. Expand this further. Okay, so before that, write this one first lah. 3x plus e minus 3x. These two cannot add. These two cannot add. So please behave. Please behave. Now we expand this one. So 2e to x multiplied by e to the power of x. So the base are the same. Okay, we can multiply. So 2e. So 2x plus x. Since the base are the same, which is exponent, so 2x plus x is 3x. Okay. Now we multiply with this one. Okay, so minus 4e. So when we multiply, the bases are the same, the exponent. Okay, and then the power is minus 4x plus x. Therefore, it's minus 3x. Okay, now from here, we can simplify it even further. This one, we can add with this one. To become 3e to the power of 3x. And then this one, we can minus with this one to have minus 3e minus 3x. Okay, so this is the answer for the first one. Okay, so let me rub them off. Okay, now how about this one? This one is a little bit different. Okay, because we have a bracket and then we have a power over here. So for this one, we can use power rule. Power rule. Okay, now how to use power rule? How to use power rule? Remember, when we have fx to the power of something, we differentiate it. What we really become is n at the front of the bracket, and then we copy paste the bracket. Copy paste the bracket with power minus 1. And then copy paste lah. Like your assignment, you copy paste, right? No, nothing but copy paste. Like that. And then we multiply by the differentiation of what? The content of the bracket. What is the content of the bracket? Fx. So we are following this method, this way. Okay, so I write it off because we want to write the working later. Okay, now dy dx equals this one bracket, right? Okay, now what is the content? What is the fx? The fx is the blue box that I've boxed already there. Now what is the power? The power is 2. Okay, so the power right in front, and then copy paste the bracket e minus x minus e power of x, and then power minus by 1, less by 1. And then multiply by differentiation of what? Differentiation of e minus x minus e to the power of x. Okay. Now, next one. Okay. So this one 2, let it be. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. So e minus x minus e power of x. And then we differentiate this one. Okay, properly. Since there are 2 terms over here, we have to form a bracket over here. Now, differentiate e minus x with respect to x is e minus x multiplied by differentiation of minus x, the power over there. Just copy paste. Okay, and then what is the differentiation of minus x with respect to x is minus 1. Remember, minus 1 is a constant. It's a constant. So we can put the minus in front of the exponent over there. Just tiny like that. Now, next, we want to differentiate minus ex. Minus this one no need lah. So we want to differentiate this one. Okay. Now, ex is very simple. We differentiate ex. That's all. And then close. Now, what we can do with this one? We can expand them. Okay. You can leave it like this, but since the power over here is 1, over here also is 1, it is better if we expand them. So 2, and then this one I multiply with this one becomes minus e to the power of x plus minus lah, minus x, like that. Okay, so it becomes minus 2x. Okay, now this one with this one, okay, it becomes minus, and then e minus x plus x, so it will become 0. Okay, next this one this time, and with this one, I'm sorry, that one. So minus minus is a positive, and then the base are the same, x minus x, so also 0, also 0. Okay. This one with this one, we get plus exponent x plus x. Now, what we have is, and then we can expand these two to every term over here. Okay, so we so minus 2e minus 2x. This one e power 0 is 1. And then multiply by 2 is minus 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. Actually, this in the middle over here becomes 0 already. This one becomes 0 already. So, no need to bother. Okay, so 2 multiplied by this one plus 2e to 2. So, this is the answer for the second example. Okay, so I think that's all. Thank you for your time and attention. Okay, before you dismiss, please practice with these exercises in front of your screen. Yeah, maybe I can zoom in it to make it bigger. Yeah, okay. That's better. Okay, so I think that's all. Thank you for your time and attention again. Assalamualaikum. Have a good day.